Now, he ran away from hell and went to his death. Those were the words of Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho as he announced the death of one of the 5 COVID-19 patients who escaped from Old Town, a hotspot for the virus. The visibly shaken Joho is now pleading with Mombasa residents to surrender to health officials if they test positive for the novel coronavirus. Asha Mwilu begins our coverage this evening with that story of double tragedy.
Mombasa's leadership spent most of Friday in a high-level security meeting. The agenda was 5 patients who are on the run after testing positive for the new coronavirus. For one of them, the escape has ended tragically.
Waine wamepatikana. Mmoja pia atapatikana tu because washajua pale alipo. Lakini unfortunately, kati ya wanne, mmoja apatikana ashakufa. So he ran away from help and went to his death.
Although the identities of the 5 have not been revealed, the governor said that there are 4 men and 1 woman. For a county identified as one of the hotspots of coronavirus in Kenya, this incident has left the response teams feeling defeated.
Ulikimbia kupata msaada, and then when you are found, you've already died. You could not breathe. You are on your own in some place and you died. Sasa unamsaidia nani? Tukikuona wewe ni maskini huwezi, we pay for you everything. What more can we do for you?
Governor Joho has faced strong defiance from some members of Mombasa who do not see COVID-19 as a real threat.
Mutapimwa, my friend.
The leader, who has been using threats and stern warnings to drive his point home, has now turned to persuasion.
Wewe labda Mungu atakusaidia upone. But imagine meeting someone asthmatic, diabetic, high blood pressure or hypertension, HIV, someone with cancer. These are the diseases that are within our midst. So you can say, I'm very strong. I'm solid. And you know what? You care less. But then again, you cause harm to other people. Now that other person has a family.
Hii ugonjwa pia imefanya watu wengine through social media kuweka ile propaganda. Ni kama kuna watu ambao wananyanyaswa. Na imefanya watu wengi kuogopa sana. Wanasema mtu akienda quarantine kule conditions ni mbaya, utaumia, utalipa. Serikali saa hii inagharamia mambo ya quarantine.
Controlling the spread of coronavirus in Mombasa County is no walk in the park. Even though Old Town is now under restricted movement, the threat is still real in most parts of the county. Most homes are tight-knit and communal, and when residents have ignored social distancing advice, the result has been detrimental.
You see the whole family checks into the house. The whole family comes into the house because mama mgonjwa. Eventually, mama tested positive. Mama is moved to a treatment facility. Then 6 of the family members again turned positive. Wamsaidia nani?
This new turn of events has thrown a spanner in the works for the health teams in Mombasa. Officials must now work round the clock to trace these 5 patients' contacts. But if the residents continue flouting the rules, then the current efforts will be rendered pointless. Asha Mwilu, Citizen TV.